Hi, and welcome back to Hanging with Hooper. I'm in my classroom today. As you can see, it is still Christmas break, but I want to get some organizing done, so I hope you'll join me today. There is so much to be done. So it's still Christmas break, but I am really wanting to get organized, get a bunch of stuff put away because at break time I just left and I don't want to come back to that on our half day. I want to come back and just get ready for the kids to come and not be cleaning and organizing things. So I will show you here. I have my Christmas tree right here that I need to put away. All this stem stuff, I've already organized over here a little bit. I want to figure out if I can do a new arrangement for our whole group area, but still keep all the chairs. I might turn my desk or something, see how that works. But this area, you can tell, a mess. It needs to be organized. All these pictures I usually take down halfway through the year so that there is room for new. I also want to see if I can do something different with these desks. Maybe putting them in groups of 6, so 4 groups of 6. I was supposed to have a student teacher, but that is not going to be the case. So I need to decide if I'm going to keep, this area here that I was supposed to have for her. Also deciding if I'm going to keep my small group table over there or maybe move it over here and move this up back over there. I don't know. A lot of things to decide, but I like to change things up and just keep it new and fresh. All right, that was a lot to get done, but I still have some organizing to do, but I have to leave in the next hour. So I'm gonna quickly show you what I've gotten done. So here is a quick overview of my room. I went ahead and kept that table in here. I do have an aide that comes in quite a bit, so they can use that. I went ahead and moved my group table from here to over there, and you can see I turned my desk. My corner is still very busy, so I still have a lot to clean up there. But then one of my biggest problems was when I would stand here to write on the board, the people back here couldn't see. And so I have eliminated that by moving the chairs around and then just doing a second row back here with the taller chairs. So yeah, I still have this mess. I still need to take stuff down. So that will be a fairly quick process. So that's where I am. Oh goodness, you can tell I've been working. I still have all the stem stuff that I need to put away, but I'm liking the way that it's looking. So I like change. I like to mix it up and feel fresh and feel like it's new, and the kids enjoy that too. So this is one of my favorite things to do.